Hi everyone, my name is Lisa and I'm here to present my capstone project, SeeDo. I really enjoy traveling, and recalling my first overseas trip, my friend and I went to Seoul with little to no planning whatsoever. This may work for some people, but evidently not for us. We ended up spending 2 weeks there just visiting the same shops over and over again. That was a lesson learned. Therefore, the inspiration for my app came from my own experience of not knowing what to do when I start to plan a vacation. With my app, users can find events to attend now or in the future at a place of their choosing. SeeDo is constructed using JavaScript, HTML, and Jinja templating for the front end, along with Bootstrap and CSS for the design elements. I used HTML forms to collect user inputs to then communicate with my database in the back end, so the web pages can be updated accordingly. For example, the event search queries and results, or when the user edits their plan. Using the Ticketmaster API, I then implemented the search bar for users to be able to query for events using Ticketmaster's databases. There was a bit of challenge trying to use the information I received back from Ticketmaster's API and saving it into my own database so users can then add it to their plans. I eventually decided to use a helper function that parses through the event search results to then save the relevant information into a dictionary so I can display it the way I want, such as the event name, venues, city, date, and image URL. The backend of SeeDo was built with Python. I use Postgres as my relational database management system, SQLAlchemy as my ORM, and Flask as my web framework. In addition to searching for events using user-chosen queries, logged-in users are also free to customize their plans and give likes to the events that they have an interest in. The logged-in user will be able to give a unique like to each individual event and have access to their liked event history on their account page. Going forward, I'd love to transform my server-side rendering app to a more client-side rendering app using React. I'd also want to implement more quality of life changes to the users, such as allowing them to access the event search bar on more pages, and possibly allowing them to create their own custom events to fit their plans better. Thank you for your time. Once again, my name is Lisa, and if you have any further questions for me, please feel free to reach out to me via email or my LinkedIn.